Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with an unboxing of a subscription box, and I actually have never done an unboxing for this box in the past in my channel. The box that I am talking about is actually BOXYCHARM. If you've never heard of BOXYCHARM, it's basically a subscription box that's $21. It's for the most part full-size makeup items, whether it be makeup tools like brushes, eyeshadows, blushes, mascara, and most of the time the products that are in the BOXYCHARM are high-end makeup products. So if you think that $21 is a little steep for you, you should take that into consideration, which is the reason that I started getting the subscription box, because I saw that a bunch of people were getting just high-end makeup and that surpassed the $21 mark. So I've been having BOXYCHARM for a couple months now, and I've never been disappointed with a box. So I'm very excited to be opening this one up for you guys in front of the camera. I'm sorry if my vanity is a little bit dirty. I have a makeup collection video in the works for you guys. I was gonna first do my decluttering series and then my makeup collection, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup collection just so I can show you guys everything and just raw footage of my storage. And then once I declutter everything, I'll go ahead and do another updated makeup collection. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Okay, so I am very excited. I haven't peeked or haven't seen what the boxes have like online or anything. So this is what it looks like, and it always comes in this packaging, so super sturdy, and it's not gonna break or anything. So it comes with a card and it just says Rock 2018. What I do like about BOXYCHARM is that they do list the products that they send you as well as the prices. Let's go ahead and start with the first thing that I see here. The first thing that I see is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and this actually retails for $38. So just right there with this primer, it passes how much the box actually is. Like I said, $21. I have used Dr. Brandt before. I believe I used their matte moisturizer or matte primer, one of those, and I really liked it. So this luminizer primer I think will come in handy for spring and summer, so I can't wait to try this out. And the next thing that I have here is the Crown Brushes Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette actually retails for $25, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks like, what the packaging looks like. So it has the eyeshadows and the little mirror, and as you guys can see, most of these I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple swatches just because why not. So this is what the eyeshadows look like on my fingers. So they look pretty pigmented. I did swatch the shimmery ones, so it has 7 shimmery colors, and 2 of them, I think there's 2 of the matte colors right there. Kind of excited to try these out. I've never used any eyeshadows from Crown Brushes. I didn't even know Crown Brushes made eyeshadows, but I mean, power to them. These aren't like everyday colors that I would have, so I'm excited to put this in my collection. But yeah, $25. I didn't even know they made eyeshadows. Okay, Crown Brushes, I see you. Next thing that we have here is something from Galactic, and it's a matte lip paint. I've heard so many good things about the Galactic lip paints. I think Manny and Mui talked about him, and I think Jenny69 as well. This isn't the color that I know they talked about, because I don't know the color, but if I were to hear, I would know. This is in the color Posh. Let me show you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty. And I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Oh, and it's very creamy. Just swatch right here. It kind of looks like a terracotta color, but more on the neutral side. I really like it. I could totally wear this right now. I'm about to put it on. No, okay, but the Galactic lip paint is actually $23. So yeah, I've heard they're on the pricier side, which is why I never actually purchased any, even though like everybody was talking about it. But I really am excited to try this out, and if I do end up liking it, I for sure will pick up more of these. So I'm excited to try this one out. Then we have 2 more things. The thing that we have here is the IT Cosmetic Brow Powder Universal Brow Pencil. This is in Universal Taupe. I don't know how well it will look with my red hair, just because I do use a red eyeshadow for my eyebrows. If you guys haven't seen, I did do an updated eyebrow routine. I'll go ahead and put it in the cards right here, but go ahead and check that out if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my eyebrows. But I definitely don't think I'll be able to use this, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass it up. I'm not even gonna go ahead and swatch it, but this alone is worth $24. So there you have it, folks. And the last thing that I have here is from Pure Cosmetics, and I've heard so many good things about Pure Cosmetics. And this is the Bronze and Brighten palette. Okay, this is a little okay. So these are what the colors look like. So we have a Blush and Glow, Afterglow, and Mineral Gold. So it's a cheek palette, and I think this would be nice for, like, I don't know, the summer maybe. These are the swatches, but I'll just go ahead and swatch them next to. Okay, so this is what the colors look like right here. I don't think I'll ever use that orange one, to be quite honest with you guys. Maybe like lightly over like a summery blush, but that's crazy. These are really, really pigmented. I really like the gold one though right here. I really like that. This would be perfect for the summer, I think. And this palette was actually $34. So right there, let me just do the math real quick for y'all. So all together with all the products, this box is worth $144, which is basically 7 times the amount that the box is worth. So as you guys can see, you definitely get your money's worth, and I am very excited to try every single product that we got today. As you guys know, I'm mostly excited about the Galactic lip paint, but I'm excited to try the rest of them overall just to see how I like them. I'll probably try some of these products and put it on my makeup Instagram, so if you guys would like to follow my makeup Instagram, it's just at Makeup by Romina V. That's basically it for this unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know. I'm not sure if BOXYCHARM gives the same exact products to every subscriber, or if they give different products. So comment down below, let me know if you got the same products, if you got different ones, because I'm not quite sure how the whole thing works. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.